For me, it was a really, really good session. Thank you, and I mean, thanks for having us. It was the level of engagement and interaction was phenomenal. We got so many questions. We had such a great panel, such a great discussion about some really powerful topics. So I think it's a session that can really make people think, and I think it really makes people think about their role in manufacturing and what we could be doing and what we are doing in South Africa from a manufacturing perspective and embracing digital technology. So I think it's been a phenomenal event. Can't wait to hear how the rest of it goes. So it's been a great start, and thanks for having us. So I actually think we are in many cases leading some other markets and countries. So I think there was a really great point made that we have a lot of human capital, which is great. We've got high unemployment, but that doesn't preclude us from investing in digital capabilities. What it does mean is we need to invest in our people. We need to get curious leaders. I love that term. I've stolen it with pride. And we really need to make sure that we build our talent to enable and leverage digital technologies, because that's what's going to give us global competitive advantage that we desperately need to compete in the global market. And as we've heard today, our companies are not standing back for anybody, and we're actually embracing these technologies to be really, really innovative and help make faster decisions, better decisions, and actually outwit and outthink our competitors out there in the globe. So I think the key takeaway for me has been the focus on people. I think the focus has to be on people development and leadership development to embrace and adopt digital technologies. The digital technologies are not going away. We can stick our head in the sand, we can pretend it's not going to happen, it doesn't matter, and thankfully our companies are not doing that. But we need to focus on people and people development and develop the right kind of leaders to embrace digital technologies and to take it forward.